So today we're trying to figure out how to get the equation of a line with 2 points. So we're given 2 points, 5, 2, and 6, 3. So the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, while b is the y-intercept. So we don't have the slope or the y-intercept right now. So first we're going to try and solve for the slope. So the equation for a slope is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we can solve for slope because we have 2 points. So we're going to do m equals, so our second y is 3, and then our first y is 2 over 6 minus 5. So we get 1 over 1, which leaves just 1. So now we have, we'll go over here. Now we have y equals 1x plus b. So now we still have to solve for b. So we can easily do that by taking one of the points. So we'll just go with 5, 2. And we're going to do 2 equals 1, and then fill in 5 for x plus b. And so you just subtract this from over here, and we get negative 3 equals b. So now we have all the parts for the equation of the line. So our equation is y equals 1x minus 3. And so looking at this, we can kind of check ourselves. So the slope goes up 1, then it goes over 1. And then the y-intercept is going to hit all the way down here. So we're going to have, so this is what our line looks up, going 1, 1 over. So, yep. Okay, so we're going to do another example to double check that we understand everything. So once again, our equation of the line is y equals mx plus b. So we want to start with finding the slope first. So m equals, once again, the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we'll use the points we're given, the 2 points, and we have, let's see, 1 minus 4 over 4 minus 2. That gives us negative 3 over 2. So this is our new slope. So we have y equals negative 3 over 2x plus b. So now we still need to solve for our y-intercept, and we can do that using either one of the given points. So I'm just going to go with 2, 4. So that's going to be 4 equals negative 3, 2 times our x, which leaves 2, plus b. So I got to do a little bit of algebra, and I'm going to multiply these, and I get negative 6 over 2 plus b, and this is still 4. So I simplify this, and this is going to simplify to negative 3. And then we bring this over here by adding, and this is 7 equals b. So now we have to plug that back into our original equation. So now our final answer is negative 3 over 2x plus 7. Okay. So it's important to know how these can be connected to real world solutions, just in case you're giving like a math problem that's not just a graph, but a word problem. So for instance, going back to our first example, this was a positive slope, so they could have gave it to us as maybe this was the height of the tree compared to the shadow of the tree. And so if they said the tree was 5 foot tall and had a shadow of 2 feet, and then another tree was 6 feet tall with a shadow of 3, we could go about it still the same way. We could put it on the graph and then work through the equation. So kind of just looking at some examples, other real world examples. These are two positive slopes. So for instance, if we're looking at Celsius compared to Fahrenheit, we have a positive slope. Another one is time spent studying to grades. So the more hours you spend studying, the better your grade should be. And then a negative slope, a real world example, is time spent watching TV compared to sleep. So if you're watching TV a lot at night, you're getting less sleep. So those are just kind of some real world examples to keep in mind when working with word problems.